In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can update Huawei app gallery in 2021. Okay, so there's two ways that you can go about doing this. And the first way is simply by opening up the app gallery on your phone. So in my case, it's on the second row here, the first app, tap on the app gallery. And then in the search bar of the app gallery itself, you just want to type in app gallery. And it'll pop up, and for me it says open, but for you, if you need an update, it will say update. Now if you always want to make sure that you have the latest version of the app gallery installed, you can go back and you can tap on the me icon at the bottom right, and then you want to scroll down to the bottom until you find settings. Tap on settings, and there it says auto update apps. Tap on that, the second option, and now it says update over Wi-Fi or mobile data is the first option. I don't recommend that one. I recommend choosing Wi-Fi only. So when you're on Wi-Fi, it will automatically update your apps, including the app gallery. And the second way of how you can get the latest version of the app gallery is by going to a browser on your phone. So in this case, I'm on Google Chrome, and then I just search for latest version of the Huawei app gallery, and it'll bring up the results of the APKs that you can download. But this is the not so recommended way of doing so. I recommend doing it the official way that I just showed you. But if you want to do that, you can tap on the first result there. I will recommend that one, and then you can scroll down on this article until you find the link. It says download the latest version of Huawei app gallery. Tap on that link, and you can see it's a Google Drive link, so you'll be able to download it and save it to your Google Drive, and then you can download it from there onto your phone, and then you just go ahead and install that, and then you'll have the latest version of the app gallery. All you would need to do is enable your web browser to install applications. So that would be how you update your Huawei app gallery in 2021. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.